Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Right, on this I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute yourself and anybody else who's on the meeting. So, very simple. I'll start a meeting first of all, that would help. Do it full screen and join with the computer audio and start the video. So you can see what I'm doing. Now what you do, you click on the participants. You can mute all, and there is also a button there that you can unmute all, or you can go to each individual one, mute and unmute accordingly. So that's how you can do it as the host of it. But you can also do it from your keyboard just by pressing the space bar and it will mute you. Okay? So that's if you're a participant, all you have to do is press the space bar, it will mute you, press it again, it will unmute you. So you don't have the situation of having to go to your microphone and making sure that it's actually working, making sure that you've actually unmuted yourself or muted yourself. If it's a group of maybe 2 or 3 of you, 4 or 5 of you having a conversation, you don't want everybody talking at once, all you've got to do is click the space bar, you mute yourself, click it again to unmute it. And if you're the person hosting the meeting, you can do it all from there. Hopefully that helps. Very, very simple to do. Speak to you on the next one. If you found this a benefit, please do like, and of course, I'd love you to subscribe. Speak to you later.